Hey everybody, this is Chef Chris Wellman of Forbes here in Wallace, and today on our segment of Behind the Line, we're going to be discussing the Antunes Mini Egg Station. The ESM-600 Mini Egg Station from Antunes is an evolutionary piece of equipment for any operation serving breakfast or brunch. This unit uses a 120 volt, 15 amp cord along with being hoodless certified, making it an excellent portable solution for any setup. The mini egg station can cook up to 6 individual eggs or 1 omelet shell in 3 minutes or less. The unit is easy to clean between cook cycles and takes less than 5 minutes to completely clean at the end of service. The small footprint means it can be placed just about anywhere operations see fit. The mini egg station can even be set up on a mobile cart and stored out of the way when breakfast service is done. The ESM-600 is a viable option for an assortment of operations, including schools and cafeterias, cafes, coffee shops, QSRs, especially those who have drive-thrus, food trucks, concessions, hospitals, and anywhere else that has a kiosk application. With the omelet rack kit, operators can quickly and easily make omelet shells for a la carte service. This could effortlessly be implemented into an action station for any brunch buffets or hotel events. I recently had the opportunity to work with a local school district on enhancing their breakfast experience for their students. The ESM-600 provides a consistent and quality final product for service. Their goal was to deliver a desirable breakfast sandwich in a cafe kiosk-like setup without any hood availability. With this unit, they are able to batch cook a half dozen sandwiches at a time and then hold them in a heated cabinet during service. This cuts down significantly on waste as well as keeping the quality of the product. Outside of traditional egg cookery, this unit can be used as a hoodless countertop griddle. One of my favorite items to make is an a la carte bread pudding. This is a unique add-on menu item that presents well and can be made with items that are usually on hand in restaurants. Ideally use day-old rolls, cube them up, and do a quick 5-minute soak in the egg, sugar, vanilla, and half mix. Then toss in 1 cup of fresh raspberries for an added sweetness and tart. Evenly portion out the mix into the egg rings. Be sure not to overfill the rings. Always fill the water reservoir completely before starting the cook timer. These mini bread puddings only take 3 minutes to cook. Flip them over for a quick sear before serving, then top with a house-made whipped cream or creme anglaise. Thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you'd like to see more of our content, please subscribe, and have a great day. For additional information and training on this unit and other Antunes egg stations, please check out our previous video that goes more in depth.